Hey RAWmazing friends, welcome back to an empowering episode about our circulatory system. Do you even know what that is, or what it does, or what the symptoms are if it's not working properly, or how we can help it heal naturally? Stay tuned because I'm going to cover all of that and more. Let me ask you a few questions. Do you ever experience swelling or get cold hands and feet? Do you suffer from those painful varicose veins? Or do you feel like you're in a brain fog? These could be signs that your circulatory system needs a boost. And here's the thing, if our circulatory system isn't functioning at its best, every single part of our body suffers. Our circulatory system is part of our lymphatic system. Watch my video, the link is in the description below. And it's part of our cardiovascular system. It is the heartbeat of our health and vitality. Hi, I'm VeRAWonica, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about shifting to a positive mindset, embracing a high nutrient fuel style so we can live a delicious and healthy lifestyle. And in case you want to watch more health and wellness videos, watch our playlist. The link is in the description below. So what is our circulatory system and why is it so important? Besides being one of the most vital systems in our body, it makes sure that every cell receives oxygen, nutrients, and energy. It's like a high-speed transportation network. Our fuel style, mindset, and lifestyle affects this important system in one way or another. So what makes up our circulatory system? It's made up of our heart and our blood cells. Did you know that our heart beats over 100,000 times a day to deliver oxygen to our cells? And that it pumps blood throughout a network of 60,000 miles of blood vessels? Do you know that's enough to circle the earth twice? And our heart does that 24/7. Our blood vessels are made up of arteries, veins, capillaries that carry our blood and oxygen and nutrients and immune cells and waste products throughout our body to and from our tissues. Our blood is literally the liquid highway of our circulatory system, and it keeps us energized and thriving. When our circulation is out of balance, we feel it in ways I mentioned earlier, like cold hands and feet, low energy, brain fog, swelling in our legs and ankles. These are all signs that our blood isn't flowing as efficiently as it should. You know, over time, poor circulation can lead to more serious issues like high blood pressure, varicose veins, heart disease, and even stroke. In today's fast-paced computer world, many of us aren't moving enough. We're stressed, and our diets aren't supporting our health the way it should. The RAWmazing news is we can change all of that. So how do we do that? And how do we keep our circulatory system in balance? Here are 5 ways we can do this holistically and naturally. Number 1, fuel with raw nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, berries, and healthy fats. These antioxidants and essential nutrients support blood flow. It reduces inflammation and nourishes our heart. Number 2, get moving. Exercise is like a natural pump for our blood. Whether it's walking, stretching, or rebounding, it helps keep our circulation strong and circulating. Number 3, hydrate with living water. You know, our blood is around 90% water, so staying hydrated is crucial. And proper hydration keeps our blood flowing smoothly and prevents sluggish circulation. And drink spring water whenever possible. Number 4, prioritize sleep and stress management. Lack of rest and chronic stress tighten our blood vessels, making it harder for our heart to do its job. When we practice mindfulness and deep breathing and we get enough rest, it makes a huge difference. Number 5, supercharge with supplements. Hawthorn berry strengthens the heart. CoQ10 supports energy production, and plant-based omega-3s help keep our blood vessels flexible. Read our blog for more supplement suggestions. When we make these shifts, our body thanks us with more energy, better focus, glowing skin, better digestion, and we will feel alive and vibrant. So that's the key to lasting energy, sharp focus, and feeling our best. It all comes down to the heartbeat of our health, our circulatory system, the lifeline of our body. When we nourish it, move our bodies, and support it naturally, we unlock a whole new level of vitality. By incorporating a nutrient-rich fuel style, preferably raw plant-based, by staying active, managing our stress, and incorporating powerful natural supplements, we can boost our circulation, increase our vitality, and live a more healthy, energetic lifestyle. So what action will you take today to empower your heart and your body in order to live your best, most vibrant life? Post your comment below. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who you think might benefit from knowing more about their circulatory system. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more RAWmazing content on personal growth, empowerment, inspiration, motivation, positivity, health, and high nutrition. Sign up for our free raw news, which is emailed out every Monday. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video, and have a RAWmazing, heart healthy day.